Do you want to burn fat faster than running, build muscle without lifting weights, and boost your stamina, all with one simple tool? Forget expensive gym memberships. Skipping rope is the ultimate workout that athletes, boxers, and fitness experts swear by. Just a few minutes of skipping can torch calories, tone your entire body, and improve your heart health. If you think skipping rope is just for kids, think again. Stay with me, and I'll show you how this simple rope can transform your fitness in no time. Skipping rope is one of the most effective full-body workouts. It burns more calories than running. Just 10 minutes of skipping is equal to 30 minutes of jogging. It strengthens your legs, arms, shoulders, and core, all at once. It improves heart health and boosts stamina. It also enhances coordination and agility, making it great for sports and everyday movement. Plus, it's portable, affordable, and can be done anywhere, no gym needed. If you're a beginner, here's how to start. First, choose the right rope. Stand on the middle of the rope, and the handles should reach your armpits. A standard speed rope is great for beginners. Hold the rope with a firm grip, keep your elbows close to your body, and use your wrists, not your arms, to turn the rope. Jump just high enough for the rope to pass under your feet. Stay light on your toes and keep your knees slightly bent to reduce impact on your joints. Let's get into a simple skipping rope workout. Start with a warm-up by jogging in place or doing light jumps for 1 minute. Then move into the workout. First, do 30 seconds of basic skips at a steady pace. Rest for 30 seconds. Next, do 30 seconds of high knees while skipping. This increases intensity and burns more calories. Rest for 30 seconds. Then do 30 seconds of side-to-side jumps, shifting your weight from left to right. Rest for 30 seconds. Next, do 30 seconds of crisscross jumps, crossing and uncrossing your arms while skipping. Rest for 30 seconds. Finally, finish with 30 seconds of double unders, where the rope passes under your feet twice in one jump. If you're a beginner, just repeat basic skips instead. Repeat this entire cycle 3 to 5 times for a killer fat burning session. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't jump too high, it wastes energy and tires you out quickly. Don't use your arms instead of your wrists to turn the rope. Keep your arms relaxed and use small wrist movements. Don't land too hard, stay light and quick on your feet to protect your joints. Make sure you're skipping on a soft surface like a rubber mat or grass to reduce impact. Also, don't forget to breathe. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth to maintain endurance. If you're just starting, begin with 5 minutes a day and gradually increase your time as you improve. Consistency is key. You'll see improvements in your endurance, muscle tone, and overall fitness within a few weeks. Skipping rope is a simple yet powerful exercise that can transform your body with just a few minutes of effort each day. Now, grab a skipping rope and start moving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Let me know in the comments how long you can skip without stopping.